Hey guys, it's me again. Welcome to A Girl, A Game, and a Goal. Again, Dee Dee, the girl. The game is going to be games, because my goal today is to unbox my purchases that I just received from a website that I just stumbled on called KickstartedGames. So I don't know what I'm getting. They're supposed to be new. I don't know if they're special. I don't know if they have any exclusive in them. Probably not. But their prices were reasonable. And I was able to find some things that I was looking for and just things in general. So, the box is down here. It is heavy. I think I got like 4 games. So I'm going to move my keyboard out the way. And I'm going to dig into the box. And we'll chat a little bit as I go through my purchases. So, oh, let's see. Something right on top. Okay. Thanks so much for your order. Happy gaming, Rob and Audrey. And they strive for Kickstarter service. And they sent me a little mask. I didn't order this, so this is a little freebie. That's nice of them. So basically, there's supposed to be new games. I know I'm gonna put this on already. Oh, this is so cool. And like you can see around me, my channel, right? I love me some green. I am like, I wish I had my bumpers. Like, I have a bumper where these things are like floating. This is so cool. I really need to shoot them an email and say thank you. And of course, I'm giving them the shout out now. Kickstarted Games. And of course, I'll put their link to their website down in the description. And so far, this has been, this has been a nice little added bonus. So right on top is my first game, which is Nova Luna. Now, mixed reviews of people on this. It is a 1 to 4, so again, another one that does play solo. And it is 8 years older and 30 minutes a game. Now, this is by Uwe Rosenberg, and I think when this first came out, I was drawn to it immediately. But as people were playing it, they were talking about how it grabbed from different other games that maybe that he had done in the past, right? And so there was a lot of like the patchwork with the whole roundabout, the rondelle, and the colors. But you know what? There's a different element to here. There's the connection. There's pattern building. I thought that it was different enough and engaging enough that I wanted to try it. And I've been on the fence because it is kind of expensive. But I like the price that they had it at, so I took the plunge. I'm not going to open any of these. I'll do those in little other videos, but most of the games you've probably seen already, but I will unbox them anyway, and you can see my delight as I look at what's inside the box. So this was my first purchase. I'm going to put it to the side. I'm going to put it over here on the floor, actually. Nope, I banged a few things on the side. And then I'm going to go in here. Oh, this is a big boy. This is It's a Wonderful World. And I was drawn to this game. I saw this played on game night, Board Game Geek, and I just love like an engine builder. I think it's an engine builder. I think so. With the cubes and everything else. And guess what? It's also a 1 to 5 play. So I can take the time to learn this if I want to. Hopefully I will. Oh, sorry for the glare. It is 45 minutes and 14 and older. So a little bit more complex. And again, a nice box where it shows everything. Drafting cards, drafting, building, choosing. I mean, it enthralled me when I watched them play it. But again, they were playing with 4 people, so I don't know the tweaks that will happen if I'm playing one person. But eventually I will give it a go. And again, probably do what's in the box another time. And I see there's a little ding, but I'm not that anal. I mean, it is what it is. I mean, by the time I take the plastic off and find a spot for it, it'll probably slide off a few things before I even get it onto my shelf. So that is game number 2. There's 2 more. Yes, so 2 more. Ooh, peanuts. Now, I do not recall where I heard of this game. It has been on my wish list at coolstuff.com, and it was just not ever coming back. And I don't know why I was so wanting to play this game. It is for 4 and older. Let me see, does it have a player count? This one might need some other people. Yeah, 2 to 5 players. But I thought it was so cute. I had the glare of my equipment. It's got this tower, and you've got, you know, little dudes, your tribe people, and you have to throw them inside the tower and see who comes out. And then it's like different resources. So it's worker placement with stupid workers, and I think that's because there's that randomness when you throw them inside the tower. It just made me giggle, and I was like, I want this game. It looks like it's gonna be fun, and I do like worker placement. So Age of Dirt, the game of uncivilization, and I really would unbox this one, and you guys can see the components, and maybe even I'll put together the tower. So watch out for that video. That may happen within the next week or so. So here's my third. And now my final. So this one is Santa Monica. Let me see if there's anything else hidden away on the bottom. So Santa Monica. This is another game that I saw it played, I forgot where, but it was mentioned by Tantrum House a number of times. And then they showed some playthroughs, and I was like, oh my god, this is so pretty. It's like the tableau building, you know, your whole, you know, your beach surrounding. And I thought that this was awesome. It is 2 to 4, so I will have to find someone to play along. But I'm going to show you. This one is open, and I want to take a look while we're on screen. But it is in pristine condition. And so they have punched everything. They had punched everything in anticipation of using it. This is their demo copy, so I do need to go through it a little more detailed and just count the pieces. But they were very upfront with the fact that they had it on the website. It was available for purchase. I put it into my cart. I ordered it with my whole, you know, other games, and then I was reached out and said that, you know, they didn't have a sealed copy, but that this was in pristine condition. And so they asked me if that was okay, and I was like, yeah, as long as it is in perfect condition. So I guess some people might there be like saying, how could she do that? She doesn't know these people. She's, you know, she's trusting. I guess I have a trusting soul. So I said, okay, no problem. You know, they told me that, you know, they would try to like accommodate me because they didn't want me waiting additional weeks and so forth. So part of that, I guess, was that I guess the thank you for doing, you know, being so considerate was this nice little mask. So that's really nice. So this game, I find it so beautiful, and so I just had to get it. So that is Santa Monica, and I am going to open this one up again, and I'm going to count everything and make sure that everything is in pristine condition. But this was my recent purchases, again, from KickstartedGames.com, and they did a great job in packing it, and they were very thoughtful in their reaching out to me back and forth in terms of customer service. So, you know, you may want to check them out, Rob and Audrey Winecoop. I will link them down below, and I will link all my stuff down below. So some of these games are, you know, solo playable, so hopefully I'll get them out into Twitch. I'm planning to do those videos coming after the spring break. No, is this winter break? I'm a teacher, so I'm trying to remember how they call it. In February, we have a week off. Get some more videos recorded and ready to go, and also be able to maybe stream every day and do some live playthroughs of some, you know, solo games that I've received recently. But do watch out for the what's in the boxes that are coming up soon. Subscribe if you want to be notified for those. And if you are interested in anything else, like if you want to see my bloggy self talk about all kinds of whatever, that's in the description box. If you are into crafts and you want to see me have some craft videos out there, That's in the description box as well. And yeah, so thank you for stopping by. Thank you for taking a look, listening to my jabbering. And remember that we want to play games and play more games, because board gaming is not a spectator sport. You need to grab those dice and play. So until next time, I will see you, and hopefully you have a good day.